Hello everyone, this is Emre from Algorithmic Finance. On this video series, we will start to learn grid-bot, how we can create this kind of system, which market movements usually fits perfectly for this grid system. So we will start to learn this, or this will be this video series that we might end up with 10 or 12 videos to describe all these details about grid-bot and how we can code in MetaTrader 5. We will learn all. Just stay with me. Even if you never coded before, even if you have no ideas about algorithmic trading or coding, so no worry, we will cover all and we learned all. So now let's move on my computer and start coding gridbot. So okay, this is MetaTrader 5 terminal, and when I press F4, so this is the place that I will be writing all this system. So let's create new expert advisor. I said grid version 1. Let's make it big. Okay, this is template file that we will writing our codes and we will creating our expert advisor on this. So to simplify, I just delete the part that I will not use. Okay, now we only have one main function. I think this is more simpler. So after that, we write here the codes and we will be turning the things in our mind, our strategy, into expert advisor that it will run itself. So we will not have to wait in front of the computer because of certain price movements or some indicator signal. So the system will do all. Before we start the write code, so let's move on this painting and I'll show you like the grid bot. So for grid bot, let's say the price is here. So I will define the level that to buy or the sell. So for example, all this level down is buying, and just one step up will be the place to sell this order. So let's start. For example, the price is started, and I can start just sending order like buy. And let's do this. I just start the expert advisor. Within the minutes that I start the expert advisor, expert will open buy position. So this now is not profit and is not loss. So the market just went down one step down, and the system will open another buy position. So if just after opening this buy position, when the market goes up, this buy position will be in profit because this will be the profit and this position will be closed. And if it goes little more up, then this position will be closed and both position closed in profit. So let's do another example. It started with buy and market move here and create another buy position. And this one is in loss and this one is in the level 0 and drop down another buy, drop down another buy, drop down another buy. Now I have 5 buy position on a row and all of them in loss. So here I expect to move little up, like if it just goes little up, this position will be closed with profit, and it goes down again, new open buy position, and it goes up closing this buy position on profit. If it goes up, and then this position will be closed. So all I need, the market should do some range. So the market may just go down in the long run. So but as long as it does this kind of movements, so I will have a opportunity to buy and opportunity to sell the position. But in case that market will go not just this way. If the market goes the way like this or the way like this kind of strategy might be a little risky. So it's better to also check the economic calendar on. There are some possibilities of increasing huge movements, and also it's better to arrange this size, arrange these differences and lot size based on our account. So once we learn that how we can code it and how we can change the system based on your risk level, your strategy, your expectation for this from the financial market, so you can arrange easily for yourself. Here on this video, what we do, just to give general information and how we can code it. All these videos and content I create and just give you a hand how you can and change it, how you can range, so how the market moves. So the real decision that will affect so will be on yourself. So now let's move on my computer and start coding. Okay, to be able to understand better about algorithmic trading, let's learn how simple it is so to open position instead of manually opening by expert advisor. So for this, I will include trade library and I call my class. I will copy and paste all these codes that I write on this video on comment. In case of you may do some letter mistakes, so you can copy and paste from the comment. So this is the library that I will be using. And then I call trade. You see, after I put dot and there is section that I can pick up, I will open buy position. Here, this function is asking me parameters, lots and stop loss, take profit, all. So I put one lot, the current symbol, and this will be which symbol that I should open position. When I put null, if I run expert advisor in gold, then it will open position on gold. If I run somewhere else, it will open there. So let's give a little break now, and I would like to introduce you Pepperstone. Then in one campaign they created, and for our channel subscribers, Pepperstone is the global broker that you can trade more than 1,700 products, including gold, cryptocurrencies, United States single stocks as CFDs, and there are many different products that you can trade. You can also trade with Algo algorithmic way, so they allow you to trade algorithmic way without any limitation. So I would highly recommend you to go website through the link and check for yourself based on your needs and your request. Also, going through the my link will give you an access to have 3 months of Bloomberg terminal subscription for free. So you can also follow the market just like many professional traders. They have all the access and news through Bloomberg. So that will give you help. So there are little conditions for this 3 months of subscription, but please go check yourself, and I'm sure that almost everyone can cover this request easily. So now let's move on my computer and start coding. Okay, after put dot, and now I need to put price level. If I am opening buy position, I should use ask price and symbol info double, null, and ask. And that I will not use stop loss, take profit, and comment. So now my code is ready. I compiled. So let's see what it does. So I go F4 to meta editor window, view, and as you see this navigator, the name was grid version 1. So when I draw and drop on chart, and I should let algo trading on, as you see, system started to open one lot buy position but without stopping. So 2, 6, 2, 4, 6 position is opened already. If I just don't switch this off, it was going to keep opening until it use all this margin level. So, but this is something that we don't want. We want to put limitation. So I want to open only one position. If position total smaller than 1. If there is no open position, then open buy position. Like this is the condition. So now let's close all this position. So I remove this expert advisor and I run again draw and drop on chart. I let algo trading on. So as you see, this color is solid, so I need to switch on. So system only opened one lot position, then after one lot it stopped because it didn't pass this condition. So with this kind of condition, and we will open and close position based on indicators, based on the account is in profit and loss. You can count like millions of different parameters, so we can define here. So once we set all the system is ready, so then we will just run and lay back and just watch how the system is opening, closing position, and how it is performing. And that's all for today. In the next video, we will do version 2, and we will just keep learning grid bot and how we can code it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.